How to fix touch screen not working problem in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here you will see second option is software update. So click on software update. So make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on screen time. Scroll down, click on content and privacy restriction. So turn on content and privacy restriction button. So after turn on content and privacy restriction button, you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so restart phone. So click power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode and click on reset all settings. So it just reset all settings, it's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. After restarting, so refresh phone. So that's how you can fix touch screen not working problem in iOS 26. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.